Hello, today we have a 2011 Mori NL2000SY. It's a one owner, one operator machine. We've never crashed it. You can see it's nice and clean, it's been well maintained. They've always changed the oil on the spindle and the hydraulics on a yearly basis. It's going to come with the two Kitagawa chucks you see. One's a BB208, the other one's a B206. It's got a very large selection of tooling and it's going to be included. It's going to come with a double axial live holder, 4 radial live holders, 4 ID static holders, 3 double-sided Capto ID static holders, 1 double OD turning static, 2 quad OD turning static, and 1 single OD holder. This machine has sub-spindle interface check, rapid feed override, which separates the feed rapid and override separation, and it'll also include a post-processor for cam works if that's what you're running. That'd be a nice thing to have. We just have a little program here on a loop. You just heard the live tooling. You're seeing it indexing. Windows turning on. There's a parts catcher, parts conveyor, tool presetter, a nice LMS chip conveyor. That oil skimmer is not included. The mist buster is, like I said, it's a very low hour machine. And it's available immediately. Forgot to mention, this is a little different. It has the 20 station option. Most of these are 12 station. This is a 20 station machine. Therefore you can put whatever tool you need in there. And that's it. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Either Rick at 978-884-1785 or Emma Odell. Thank you. Have a great day.